Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. So this was my day off yesterday and I decided to go to the local hobby town and look at their Gunpla. I hadn't bought any in a long time, and after doing the Lego video, I was wanting to build a giant robot. So this is just what they have. Like, they've really got a lot after a few years. Like the Gunpla and the Japanese model kits from Bandai and what have you have really put the stock out. Some really cool and unique models. So I was looking at some of the Gunpla kits and was getting ready to decide maybe a Xeon kit, but then I seen this one, and I don't know what series this is from, but I love that it looks like really mechanical, and I know it's a robot. Of course it's mechanical, but it just, you can see the gears and stuff like that. I also went to AMC and watched Thor Love and Thunder. I really enjoyed it. Like, I thought it was really good, and I enjoyed it, so it was a laugh. And then I went to a comic book shop I've been meaning to forever, Legacy Comics and Collectibles, and I love this store. They have a lot of classic 80s and 90s Star Wars toys and action figures and all kinds of other G.I. Joe and what have you. And of course the comics. All the prices are taped on the bag. Everything's bag and boarded already. They had some Star Wars stuff, as you can see on the shelves. And they also had Warhammer 40K, which I'm a fan of the lore and stuff. Haven't played the game. But yeah, I picked up, since I've seen the Thor movie, I picked up the Mighty Thor #1 that they had here. So this is what I got. The Mighty Thor and this Caprico type walker machine. This issue is about Thor and the character Sif dive deep into the heart of a fractal world tree to reclaim an artifact from beyond time and space. And I love this issue because Galactus is in it. And of course, Silver Surfer is the herald of Galactus, the World Eater. And I can't wait to dive into this one. And then I bought this, obviously. And it looks like a pretty cool kit. I like how it shows like the stats and the crew and the armament and all that on it. We'll do an unboxing here in just a second. But some great art on there. Or not really art, but photographs of what the machine can look like and how you can pose it. Here it is. There's 3 big sprues, some pretty big pieces, easy to paint and of course put together. Some rubber pieces there and some grommets, and a decal sheet, of which I think is the water type decals where you soak it in water and then slide them. Water slide decals, I think is what they're called. And a little instruction booklet with some decal where they go in the paint scheme. And yeah, this is gonna have to be painted. So I look forward to trying to do that. There will be a video on that shortly. But yeah, your typical Bandai instruction booklet, just like putting together Gunpla, but it was very simple. Looks very simple to put together. And it doesn't say it needs glue, at least I can't read anywhere. If it's like Gunpla, then it's just snapped together, but I'm gonna go ahead and get some glue anyway. And I also bought this emery board to get off the nubs from the sprues. But anyway, thanks for watching, and look forward to posting some more videos. Like and subscribe, and thank you. Have a good day.